Imagine giving students the tools they need to explore the outer universe through the inner universe. That's what the Universe Within is all about. The Universe Within is a world-building course developed by Matt Bevel Company in partnership with education professionals to address a national creativity deficit. The course is based on Matt Bevel Company President Ned Shaper's magical world of Beveldom that comes to life through a one-man theater, museum, school, and multimedia productions. And of course, his lifelong creative training techniques called Available Resource Technology, or ART. Students in Mr. Clavesco Wharton's 3rd and 4th grade class at Patagonia Elementary School were the first to participate in the Universe Within full coursework. They developed and played the part of a central character in a unique world of their own making, identified social problems in their worlds that have meaning to them in real life, and built multidimensional headdresses, tools, accessories, and machines from recycled materials to help them solve their social problems. Students learned about scientific observation, engineering design, technology, geometry, and physics. The course started with a field trip to the Museum of Kinetic Art. Students learned about motion and mechanics as Ned shared his moving sculptures, Sharka, the large thought launcher, and the hand-powered cardboard bevel butterflies. As they entered the galaxy, they became immersed in all the moving sculptures and began to capture their ideas in the Daily Doodle notebook. Back in the classroom, game-like challenges and daily creative practices improve students' problem-solving skills in science, math, art, and real life. They develop their characters' physical features, their powers, and virtues, and they develop poems about their characters, their virtues, their social issues, and their solutions. Students learn to measure various parts of 2- and 3-dimensional shapes.
This is a triangle, and this is 4 inches.
They designed and constructed headdresses, wands, bracelets, shields, tools, and 2-geared spinning machines, all with features to help their characters solve their social issues. They talked about the decisions they made and how their processes evolved through time.
What I figured out is that when you would spin the string, it would move up and down in shape. And so I was thinking in my head that if you would add bumps to it, it would stop because it would keep going up. And so people thought that you would make it flat, but if you made it flat, it'll just go over it. And so if you make it bumpy like a dam, like in the lake or whatever, it'll block it. And so when we made it bumpy or whatever, it would stop it, and so it was it stayed in place.
So for my character, I was thinking that I was missing something from my character. And I had my cape, my headdress, and everything that I needed, but I knew that I was forgetting something. So I thought I came up with the book, a spell book of love, and it's where you say a word, the sentence out loud, and it comes into a big bubble, then explodes.
It's pretty fun to learn about geometry, science, and technology, and sometimes you make mistakes, but you learn from them.
When we start the Universe Within, I thought it was I thought we were making metal stuff, but we make stuff out of cardboard, and that's awesome. When you're gonna mess up with cardboard cannot mess up. You just rip it, and you can use those rips and glue these together. With my imagination.
Oh, from
Imagination.
They curated and installed their work, got into character, and stepped into their worlds in the Universe Within exhibition and pedestrian carnival. Students promenaded into the hall and read their poems. They shared what they'd learned about geometry and physics. They performed the Leaning Tower of Pisa experiment that would become Galileo's law of freefall, and explained Newton's 3 laws of motion through juggling, human bowling, and hula hoop. All this through learning, practicing, and demonstrating the universe within.